Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 12th, 2022. We are going to talk about Ford today and try to see has the price bottom in the stock. I mean, you guys can see already it's been a while since I did a price prediction in Ford, and the market has been on a tear. I mean, when you see the market right here on October the 10th to where the market closed yesterday, take a look at this. From the low of October the 10th to the high of yesterday's trading day, the market is already up 31%. That could be the bottom that occurred into the market in Ford right there on October the 10th. What do you think? Let's talk about it. First of all, I want you all to see, I did a video in Ford on September the 21st, okay, 2022, looking for the price in Ford to go down. The market did do just that. And you guys can see where the buyers came into the market. Go back and listen to the video. I told you that will be a price target in the market in Ford. So hopefully you all was able to profit from that market move in Ford, because that's around 15.5%. All right, that's done. That is over. Now for us, one of the main purposes of this particular channel is to make sure that we are in position to win in the market. So we guys can see it. We all can see it. The market trend in Ford is high, right? The market currently is in an uptrend. Fantastic. Now, how high you think price is going to go though? Because don't forget, I already told you that the market has already ran 31%. At some point, it's going to stop. Maybe we are near the end of the track for Ford to go up, because if so, it might not be feasible for us to even do a price prediction. That is why you want to come in and surveil the landscape to see, okay, what's the chance of us seeing the market in Ford run up to 15, maybe even crack that $16 price area again. Let's try to figure it out. So we're going to start off with the weekly chart in the market in Ford, because I want to show you all from the weekly perspective as to how these price bars look. The 5 weeks in Ford was fantastic. That is a very powerful bar when you see where price came in and grabbed support. So outside of what anyone is telling you, understand that this is support right here. $11 is support in the market in Ford as of today. As long as price in Ford continues to hold $11, the idea of us looking for price to go up is going to be there. It's just that simple. The market, those who have bought Ford or those who are buyers, confirmed to us on all of these 5-day price bars that they're willing to buy Ford at $11. There wasn't any amount of selling that stopped them from buying Ford at 11, and that was still confirmed on this last completed 5-weekly price bar. Look at this on the 3 weeks. So I think there's a little bit more gas in the tank to see Ford go up. Now I'm just simply looking at maybe $15, maybe $16 right now, because even there at those points is where we can see some resistance, right? So take a look at this. This is one area of resistance into the market in Ford. Okay, so let me get rid of these lines because I don't want to make this confusing. I am not about the confusion. So the first area would have to be 15. The ultimate area is right there around $16 in Ford. Now, given what occurred into the market on the 5-weekly chart, we could definitely see the market in Ford try to inch up there towards $16. Okay, here it is on the 2-weekly chart. Look at this. The last 3 2-weekly price bars have been fantastic in the terms of what or who is controlling the market in Ford. The bulls are. The buyers are controlling the market right now in Ford, and nobody's even talking about it. Look at this on the weekly chart. Every week we've seen the price in Ford close higher than the previous week, and nobody's talking about Ford. Isn't that crazy? The 5-day chart, 3-day, 2-day, like this is a very healthy market right now in Ford. The only problem that I'm here to tell you is that we may be near the end of the run though. That 31% run up, definitely we would expect the market to come back down eventually. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart because I am looking for the price in Ford to trend up higher. Now let's see, because if it's not worth us putting in our soldiers to fight to get 3.5%, is that worth it? Is it worth it? Like, that's the question that everyone would have to answer and figure out for themselves. Is it worth it for 3.5%? What about $15.60? What about 7.5%? Is that worth it? Okay, so we have what? $15 first, $15.60 second, and then $16 is going to be third. But like I said, we can definitely see the market in Ford run out of gas and not hit that $16 price, because it's been a fantastic run already. We're going to continue to play that though. We're going to look for the market in Ford to trend higher. And I will say, outside of the market in Ford breaking this ascending line, so let's say that the market in Ford continues to track, like this is the best outlook we want, is to let the market in Ford continue to hold that trend line. That would be the best outcome. But let's say that it doesn't. Let's say that it breaks this trend line. Okay. The next area that I want to see the market in Ford hold to keep this price prediction valid would be $13. Okay. Something just like that. So those are the two things in order for us to see this price prediction come to fruition, is to allow the market in Ford to do one of those two things. Preferably we want to see it hold that trend line, but just in case it doesn't, we have another area that the buyers will have to hold, which is right there around $13. Okay, we break $13 to the downside, then the market strength, this 31% run up that has already occurred, is pretty much gone. The tank is empty. Expect the price to come back down in Ford. All right, so this is it. It's your turn. Go ahead and hit me up. Let me know your thoughts with a comment in the comment section. And before you go, I want to show you all this very quick commercial of some of the products that I think will be beneficial for you or one of your loved ones for this holiday season. So just take a quick second. It's not long, and I want to show you some of the products that we do have to offer you all. All right, so there you guys go. Again, the links for those products will be in the description of the video. If you guys find it very interesting, you guys want to purchase one of the products to support the channel, that will also be beneficial as well. Now, before you go, let me know, what do you all think about Ford? Make sure you maintain profitability, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, because you're not going to get anything simpler than looking at price charts as to where price is going to go. See you all later.